Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a many-to-many relationship in Microsoft Access. This is an essential database skill that allows you to link multiple tables together based on common fields, making your data management far more efficient and organized. To get started, open your Microsoft Access application and load your database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin setting up your relationships. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but I'll walk you through each step to make it as clear as possible. First, open the initial database you want to work with. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll find the Table option. Click on it to reveal additional options. From here, you'll see the Relationships button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Table Relationship Editor, which is where all the magic happens in creating connections between your tables. Now that you're in the Table Relationship Editor, it's time to add the tables you want to link together to create your many-to-many relationship. The interface will display all available tables from your database, so select the ones you need for this particular relationship setup. Once you've added them, you'll see each table displayed with all its fields visible. Here's where the process becomes straightforward. You'll need to link tables that share a common field between them. For instance, let's say you're working with three tables: orders, products, and sales rep. In this example, we'll be linking the customer name field that appears across all three tables. This common field is what allows us to create the relationship. To create the first connection, click on the customer name field in the orders table and drag it over to the customer name field in the products table. As soon as you do this, an edit relationship window will appear. This small window is asking you to confirm the relationship you're about to create. Simply click on Create to confirm it. This action establishes the relationship between the two tables based on the common customer name field. Next, repeat this process to connect the customer name field from the products table to the sales rep table. Click on the customer name field in products and drag it to the corresponding field in sales rep. Again, the edit relationship window will pop up and you'll click Create to confirm. By following these steps and linking all tables that share common fields, you've successfully created a many-to-many relationship structure in Microsoft Access. And there you have it. You've now set up a many-to-many relationship that allows your database to function more dynamically and handle complex data connections efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.